right.
And then turn it off.
Bronco's going on the lift, guys. What's that? What is up, fam? Hope this message finds you all well and great spirits. Today's a day, a great day, a fun day. We're going to put the Bronco. We don't have a name yet. If you go to stangmode.com, we're trying to find a name. We have a vote up, a poll up actually, for the fact that the Bronco is going to go on the lift at Chuck's shop. We got it at the dealership. We said, yo, let's take a look underneath. Let's see what Ford did. We'll put it on the lift, have some fun. And of course, we had like first drive. There's a lot of stuff coming to the Bronco here. Guys, I'm so excited. You guys stay tuned. You know, there's a reason why we got certain specs. Just like we did with that guy right here. What am I talking about? Guys, I'm talking about 5 days left. A chance for what? To win the giveaway number 8, the Undertaker. Guys, I said it before, I'll say it again. Unfortunately, this is one of our lowest entered giveaways yet. So what does that mean? Your odds are through the roof for this beautiful car and 30,000 cash. So please check out stangmode.com. Our biggest bonus entries that we're having from now to the end is N724. Your chance to win this car. That's your deadline to enter for just $1. Is our all new budget boxes, which are worth 1,000 entries for just $50 to get this car. What is this car? If you're new, you haven't seen it, you don't know what's happening, remind you, this is a WHIPPLE supercharged Mustang with all the goods from our friends at Lethal Performance. Use code STANGMODE for your aftermarket needs. Who's your drag pack with the Ford Stars, BMR suspension, custom wrap, Cervini's body kit, custom carbon fiber interior. And we call the winner. They're gonna come up, grab it, do a burnout, and get a check for $30,000 for just $1. But please go now, enter before it ends, grab a hat like this or one of our budget boxes, and entered to win this beautiful car. I'm gonna miss it, but I can't wait for someone to grab the keys to it, and hopefully it could be you. All right, stangmode.com, link in description. Good luck. But for now, it's the Bronco time.
Good. Is that how it goes?
What's up, family? I hope this message finds you all well and in good spirits. Just did about 700 videos saying the same thing, so it's almost routine. So what's the plan today, brother?
Well, today we got a special inspection we're going to do. Good friend of mine picked up a new 2021 Bronco by the name of Stangmode.
Appreciate
so
you.
So we're going to pull it in. We're going to take a look over the vehicle to see what Ford did. Look at it, just see what's going on with it. First one I'm seeing, first one you're seeing.
Sure.
You know, with this level of detail. Just want to check it out, see, you know, if there's anything that pops out and say, hey, we can try this or do that, or, you know, just checking it out. Wait, what's that?
Uh-oh, I hear someone.
What's that?
What do we got here? Oh. Cooper's bringing in El Bronco. Dude, I'm gonna tell you, the more I see this, the more I'm in love. Yes, this is actually the same day as delivery. Oh man, we got so much stuff. But yeah, we're gonna get this on the lift. We're gonna see how it goes. Bronco is in the shop. Now, you know, we told the dealer, do not touch it. We're going to ceramic coat, PPF, and tint it up. So, that, my friends, is what is happening.
You guys put it in neutral.
All right.
And then turn it off.
Bronco's going on the lift, guys.
Center. Good. Yeah, we're going to use the lifting.
Bronco on the lift.
work.
So this is the first time we're seeing someone actually put us on a lift, so we're looking for the...
Let's look at lifting it back to fall. Now, you're fine. Yeah, you put it on.
Aww.
Alright guys, they found the mounts to jack it up on, and it's time to go up the Bronco. Look at this. What's that?
It's got a 4-link.
4-link.
Woo! I haven't really done any research or...
Yeah, we did not, what did we say? We did not do any, we're seeing this for the first time with you all. This is the first time we're all looking at it together. So what are we seeing?
Research on it, but you know, it's got, I'm assuming this is similar to the F-150, the Super 8.8 rear, I'm assuming. One-piece drive shaft. Steel.
Can you grab me a light coupe?
Transfer case, all shiny.
I mean, this is brand, I mean, we literally got this today.
Yeah.
So, I'll hold it. All right. Or Chuck can hold it. He can talk to us what he's looking at.
Well, I mean, you know, one-piece drive shaft instead of a two-piece. I mean, it's not super long. It's probably about the same length as a Mustang now. So, that's different. It's now 8 bolts for the pinion flange. Coilover rear suspension, which is definitely interesting. So ladder bar suspension, which is pretty cool. Should give it plenty of suspension travel for all. It's 2 parallel bars,
okay,
or a 4-link, not necessarily a ladder bar, but a 4-link suspension, where there's literally 4 links that hold the rear in the vehicle. I mean, Ford did an excellent job. I mean, everything's laid out nice and neat. Yeah, that's an interesting exhaust hanger.
Yeah, I mean, that's, look at that. They didn't want that coming down. Still a little warm.
Here, decent sized fuel tank. How big is
this
the fuel
whole
tank?
thing, huh? Anybody Google me?
What?
How big is the fuel tank in the 2021 Bronco? I would say it looks like a little. I'm gonna say 20. I feel 20.
It's at least 20.
I'm shooting for 20. Yeah,
fuel tank. Okay.
I'm shooting for 20. Again, part of the reason we're doing this is we wanted to see this like firsthand what we're looking at with you guys. So,
Transfer case, 4-wheel drive. It's beautiful setup.
It's all dirty.
oh yeah, you want to get some mud on this, guys? Wow.
It's interesting seeing the new vehicle. It's got a similar suspension setup to say a Ford F-150, you know, but I'm sure everything's different geometry wise or sizing.
Look at these big old tow hooks. Yeah.
I hope this isn't the quote dashboards, because that's plastic. That's a little disappointing. You know, most off-road vehicles are going to come with a steel.
It's a Mustang tank.
Mustang tank in the house.
Yep.
16 gallon.
Yeah, I get it. Well, it's longer for sure. I guess it's just not as deep.
Guys, you see underneath. Now we're gonna look underneath the hood. Similar to what we used to have back in the day on the EcoBoost. I think it's the same exact motor actually, but the 10-speed.
Yeah, it's a 4-cylinder 2.3 with a 10-speed. Little turbo here.
Take a seat inside, Jordan. You'll see the cool screens. Sport. Ooh, that's fire.
You got slippery for like when it rains. You got mud and runs. And you have a whole sand mode for the beach.
It's Such a cute little engine. Huge.
Any
battery.
extra cooling? Oh, look at that battery. It's massive.
It's massive for such a small engine. Must be a lot of electronics in here.
Yeah.
I mean,
Massive cooling.
You have
Massive
6
cooling?
switches.
I mean, look how big the fan is.
Yeah.
2 fans, too.
I wonder how much is taken from the Raptor. You know, just cause.
I'm sure a lot of it's borrowed.
Yeah, of course.
Between multiple platforms.
Yeah. But I did like the fact that and this is this
mean,
heat protection here.
They probably thought that you might connect a light bar to it, so they have extra switches on the top.
This honeychrome effect here. Anything was that for any specific purpose? Just for crash?
For strengthening
the hood. Yeah.
I'm sure there's some type of crash. Pedestrian impact.
Yeah.
Like that's real big now.
Yeah.
Is that if you hit a pedestrian, how the hood reacts
Crumples
to them.
and yeah, exactly.
So like you get knocked up onto the hood.
I remember they said something about like the way it hits you should hit from above, like like where the
It
bumper
lifts
hits.
you up onto
Yeah,
the hood,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Oh. Lights are on. Yeah, turn the lights on. Let's see how the lights work. Lights are just like that. Yeah, that looks good. Look at this. That looks really cool. Oh, have fun. This is so cool. This is cool. I do like it.
It's gonna look amazing, like rolling through the forest.
Oh my gosh, you can take it off road. Woo! This is fire. The wheels, definitely got to do the wheels. We'll do the PPF ceramic coat. We'll do the tint, but we want to do wheels.
I mean, it's a nice step for like daily driving.
This car,
Travel.
Coop, can you put the back passenger window up? I want to see window sticker one more time, how much it is. So this car was, I believe, $42,000. That's not a bad price.
When you compare it to a Jeep.
I mean, yeah. I mean, and you still get heated seats. You get the big screen, and you still get the GOAT modes, they call it. So, again, this package is what we got for what was available now.
Yeah.
What he did tell us was that we can get the hard top later if we wanted to. But this is exactly what you would get right now. It's available. So.
It's a good in-between between SUV, Mustang, and truck.
Yeah. Well, guys, that was underneath the Bronco. We took the motor, we did some stuff. We're gonna see it off-road next, and eventually we're gonna take it to the drag strip, see what it runs. I mean, we gotta do it, that's what we do here. Let's run it to the drag strip, and then we'll take it some off-road fun. All right, guys. Uh-oh, whoa, what's up? We got first mod?
First mod, world's first.
Oh yeah, that's right, hold on.
Modified.
This is not
2021
clickbait,
Bronco.
that's right.
So,
World's first modified 2021 Bronco. What do we got?
looks like you've got a choice of Royal Pine or Black Ice.
Let's do Royal Pine just cuz. And we got 2 mods. Oh,
And the Ford license plate.
Ford license plate. That actually looks pretty good. This is almost like a Ford, color. We gotta do the Royal Pine. Also, if you guys haven't voted, we haven't figured a name yet for the vehicle. Right now, what's in the lead is the Bronco. All right, guys, so the first mod is in. All jokes aside, we're gonna have fun. A lot more to come. Like and subscribe, because it never ends.